Chapter number 14, Conversion of Units, Volume and Surface Area of Cubes and Cuboids. Units conversion of volume. To convert from one unit of volume to another, we need to know that 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. If 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter, it means that 1000 liter equals to 1 million milliliters. Further, we can convert this milliliter in cubic centimeter, which is basically represents the capacity. So 1000 liter equals to 1 million cubic centimeter. Now, we can express this cubic centimeter in cubic meters. If we divide this 1 million cubic centimeter by 1 million, it means that the unit will convert from cubic centimeters to cubic meters. After cancellation, it's clear that 1000 liter equals to 1 cubic meter. Now, 1 milliliter equals to 1 cubic centimeter. It means that 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter, and this 1000 milliliter equals to 1000 cubic centimeter. As we know that 1 milliliter equals to 1 cubic centimeter. Now, volume. Volume is the measure of three-dimensional space occupied by matter or enclosed by a surface. Here, 3 dimension represents length, breadth, and height of the object. Now, volume can be measured in cubic units. The system international unit of volume is cubic meter. Standard units of volume are cubic meters, cubic centimeters, and cubic millimeters. These are the standard units in which volume can be measured. Capacity. Capacity measures the amount that a three-dimensional object can hold. The standard units of capacity are liters and milliliters. It means that capacity can be measured in liters and milliliters. Cube. In geometry, a cube is a three-dimensional solid object bounded by 6 square faces. Volume of the cube. Volume of the cube can be calculated by L raised to the power 3 or L cube. Total surface area of the cube. The total surface area of an object is equal to the area of all the faces of the net. The total surface area of the cube can be calculated by 6L square. Another geometrical shape, cuboid. In geometry, a cuboid is a three-dimensional solid object bounded by 6 rectangular faces. Volume of the cuboid can be calculated by length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Now, these 3 quantities are basically the 3 dimensions of the solid object required for volume. First dimension, length. Second dimension, breadth. And third dimension is height. Their product represents the total volume of the cuboid. Total surface area of the cuboid. Total surface area of the cuboid means area of all 6 faces of the cuboid. And this area can be calculated by 2 into length breadth plus length height plus breadth height. Now, length, breadth, height are basically the dimensions of the cuboid. Exercise 14A. Question number 1 from this exercise. Express each of the following in cubic centimeters. Part 1. 4 cubic meter. Now we have to express this 4 cubic meter in cubic centimeters. Solution. As we know that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Since we are expressing cubic meters in cubic centimeter, so taking cube of left and right side, we know that 1 meter whole cube equals to 100 centimeter whole cube. Now 1 meter whole cube means 1 meter times 1 meter times 1 meter. Same as 100 centimeter whole cube means 100 centimeter times 100 centimeter times 100 centimeter. Now by taking the product of left and right side, 1 cubic meter equals to 1 million cubic centimeters. Therefore, if 1 cubic meter equals to 1 million cubic centimeter, then 4 cubic meter equals to 4 multiplied by 1 million cubic centimeters. By taking the product of 4 and 1 million, their product is 4 million cubic centimeters. It means that 4 cubic meters equal to 4 million cubic centimeters. Second part from this question is to express 0.5 cubic meters in cubic centimeters. Once again, we know that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. By taking cube of both sides, 1 meter whole cube equals to 100 centimeter whole cube. Expanding left and right side, 1 meter whole cube means 1 meter times 1 meter times 1 meter. And right side, 100 centimeter whole cube means 100 centimeter times 100 centimeter times 100 centimeter. By taking the product of left and right side, we know that 1 cubic meter equals to 1 million cubic centimeter. Again, if 1 cubic meter equals to 1 million cubic centimeter, then 0.5 cubic meter equals to 0.5 times 1 million cubic centimeter. By taking the product of 0.5 and 1 million cubic centimeter, it means that 0.5 cubic meter equals to 5 lakh cubic centimeter. Second part from question number 1, express each of the following in cubic meters. First part, 250,000 cubic centimeter. Now we will express this cubic centimeter in cubic meters. Second part, 67,800 cubic centimeters in cubic meters. To express cubic centimeters in cubic meters, we know that 1 centimeter equals to 1 divided by 100 meters. Or we can say that 1 centimeter is the 100th part of 1 meter. Now taking cube of both sides, it means 1 centimeter whole cube equals to 1 divided by 100 meter whole cubes. Expanding left and right side, 1 centimeter whole cube can be expressed in the form of 1 centimeter times 1 centimeter times 1 centimeter. Same as the right side, 1 divided by 100 meter times 1 divided by 100 meter times 1 divided by 100 meter is the expanded form of this 1 upon 100 meter whole cube. By taking the product of left and right side, 1 cubic centimeter equals to 1 divided by 1 million cubic meters. If 1 cubic centimeter equals to 1 divided by 1 million cubic meters, then 250 cubic centimeter equals to 250,000 divided by 1 million cubic meters. After cancellation, we have fraction 25 divided by 100 cubic meters. Now, if we divide this 25 by 100, then the quotient is 0.25 cubic meters. It means that 250,000 cubic centimeter equals to 0.25 cubic meters. Second part from this question is to express 67,800 cubic centimeters in cubic meters. Again, we know that 1 centimeter is the 100th part of 1 meter. And taking cube of both sides, 1 centimeter whole cube equals to 1 upon 100 meter whole cube. Expanding left and right side and then taking the product, we know that 1 cubic centimeter equals to 1 divided by 1 million cubic meters. Therefore, 67,800 cubic centimeter will equals to 67,800 divided by 1 million cubic meters. After cancellation, the fraction is 678 divided by 10,000 cubic meters. Now dividing this 678 by 10,000, we will get the quotient 0.0678 cubic meters. It means that 67,800 cubic centimeter equals to 0.0678 cubic meters.